everyone, welcome back to Fantastic Horses. I realize I always say welcome back, but if you're new here, hi. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my horse toy collection, so if you haven't watched the first part, just because you can kind of have the whole experience of what's happening. Start is that I post in community a lot. I still do post in community a lot, and I noticed that the stuff isn't getting looked at. So I really encourage you to check community if you just get some free time to go and look at community, what I post there. Use community, like share everything that I'm up to. Please just spend some time, go and look at my community page, like some stuff. Go into the horse tour now. Catch Me, he is my newest traditional Briar. Well, he's actually my newest Briar in general, but he is a traditional size. But yeah, Catch Me. This is Adia. She was from a friend. We did this like Christmas Briar swap thing. We'd go to the store, buy a Briar, and then swap it with each other. Really fun. I really enjoyed that. And this is the horse she decided to give me. Yeah, this is Adia. This is Thicket. I don't think I've ever really shown him in any of my videos before. But this is like, I love this horse stand. It's so detailed. I love it. But this is Quest. His original name is ATP Power, but I changed it to Quest because it looks like he's going on a quest. This is Star. Yeah, Star. She's not in the best of shapes, but she's also really old, and her original name is Little Tahoma. So yeah, Star. This is Lotus. She is from like 2007. This is Lily, and this is her foal. Look at Old Timer. He's from literally like beginning of time. I don't know if the date is on here. We found this horse at a flea market. Yes, he is a Briar. His name is actually Old Timer. Look at all those details. He's in pretty good shape for being very old. This horse is in extremely good shape. Briar Freedom series. This is Gala, but his name is actually originally Mandrake, but I thought Gala suited him a little more. He's also a very frequent face on the channel. I definitely am not really doing that many Briar videos now, just the Canterridge Farm series, but I don't know if he's in that, but this is Apples. This is Monopoly. He is my newest Freedom series. He's a Seal Bay thoroughbred, I'm pretty sure. This is Hero. I love this horse's coat. And then this is Minty. My spirit riding free horses. This is Boomerang. Mystery. Maricella's horse. I do have both the dolls, so if any of you want me to do a little skit with these horses, like the video. This is Maximus, I believe, from Tangled. His name is Pinch. He's old. You can see like there's glue or something on his neck. But this horse, I still love this horse. This is Sarge. He's fully flexible everywhere. Like his legs, his head, his neck, his tail. I love how detailed the tack is. But yeah, this is Sarge. This is Melody. This is like for one of those American Girl dolls, but like the Target American Girl dolls, you know. Move back for this one. But this is Copeland. American Girl dolls horse. It's from my grandma, so thank you very much to my grandma. Guys, thank you so much for watching part 2 of my horse toy collection tour. Really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check community. Just letting you know, I do have like a couple more unicorns and stuff, but they're unicorns, they don't count as horses, so. Also, go watch the Stablemates tour if you're really, really wanting to see those horses, because it has grown a little bit by population, but not by much, so it's not like you're missing a huge amount of stablemates. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.